A new teaser for Samsung's forthcoming foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, was just revealed. According to the teaser, the Z Fold 7 will be Samsung's thinnest, lightest, and most sophisticated foldable device to yet. In addition to being marketing jargon, this claim carries on the tradition of improving the Galaxy Z series' thinner, lighter, and more resilient iterations. Although the precise proportions are not disclosed in the teaser, prior rumors and leaks give us a reasonable indication of what to anticipate. The Galaxy Z Fold the 7th of May be around 4.54 meters thick when unfurled and 9 meters thick when folded, according to a May report. This is just 0.1 millimeters thicker than the Oppo Find N5, which now holds the record for the thinnest foldable in the world. According to reports, the Z Fold 7 is around the same height and breadth as its predecessor, measuring 158.43 by 14,314 millimeters, but it is lighter and has a thinner profile. It should be considerably more comfortable to hold and feel much nicer in the hand. The display is another important feature. Leaks indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will probably include an internal 8.2-inch screen, much as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition. The Fold 7's big screen size makes it ideal for gaming, multitasking, and video watching. According to rumors, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite processor, which is anticipated to provide lightning-fast performance and increased efficiency, would power the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Better gameplay, more seamless multitasking, and speedier performance all around are the results of this. According to reports, the phone sports a 4000 mAh battery. Samsung has been improving its hardware and software to increase battery life, particularly in foldable phones. Since the formal introduction of the Z Fold 7 and its sister, the Galaxy Z Flip 7, is just a few weeks away in July, the teaser is even more enticing. In the days ahead, there will likely be more leaks, more features, and even some surprises from Samsung. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.